Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thanks for joining me with this soap making video today, and welcome to the making of cucumber mint soap by Morfosoaps. We started off by mixing the colors, and then we are mixing the batter, which is our oils and butters mixed with some kaolin clay, colloidal oatmeal, coconut milk, aloe vera juice, and then we're adding the lye water solution. We mix everything up to an emulsion, and then we split off the batter into the portions that will be colored. The fragrance we're using today is a blend between a fragrance and an essential oil. So we're using the cucumber fragrance oil blended with peppermint essential oil. So after we split off the batter, we're gonna be adding the color green, two shades of green. One is like more neon green, and the other one more the grass green, and then the third color will be white. We're looking for a drop swirl with a hanger swirl. In today's soap we had also some acceleration due to the cucumber fragrance oil, and that's why I could manage to only swirl maybe half of the loaf, and the other half was thicker than expected, so I left it as it is. And you will see the end result, different bars, different shapes. That's the beauty about soap making, that's the beauty about artisan soaps. They don't look typically the same. So here, after we colored each portion, we will be adding the fragrance and essential oil blend, and then we will be pouring the layers, hoping to have a full swirl of hanger swirl. But you will see it thickened, so we ended up kind of putting the layers on each other, and then I did some swirling, like I mentioned, only to the half of the soap. And this is where I come to pour the soap and realize it's really thick. It's not runny, it's not fluid. However, I still managed, and you will see the end result. Now, after the pour, we did some piping on top and added the embeds. I had very cute embeds to represent the mint leaves, and other green gumballs to represent the cucumber. So I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you do, give us a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing. We will be more than happy to have you with us. I'll leave you to watch the rest of the video until next week. I'll see you again with another soap making, with another themed or drink themed soap. And take care of yourself, stay safe, be happy, positive, smile, do something that you enjoy doing, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.